Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Justina. I know it has been some time since we've hung out, since I've made a video. I'm sorry. But today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Sephora's welcome back sale. I went ahead and purchased things that I needed to re-up on. Also some new products that had recently came out. So let's just jump right in because I hate a long intro, don't you? The first thing I got is the Olaplex No. 3 Repair and Strengthen treatment. So the reason I got this, I've always wanted to try Olaplex products, but I stopped bleaching my hair because I felt like I needed to baby it. It wasn't growing anymore. It just wasn't itself, and I've been bleaching my hair on and off for the past 5 years. I want to say 4 years. Recently I had the bright idea that I wanted to do the Rogue highlights, you know, that the 2 strips of blonde in the front, and I also dyed my hair light brown. So I really messed up and fried my hair after I was babying it and taking care of it all throughout quarantine, and it grew really nicely. I'll insert a picture here. The first time I did it, I bleached it, it came out nice, but the second time I wanted it to be a little bit lighter. It didn't do anything. My hair broke off in the front. I'm a little embarrassed. Every time I bleach my hair, it always comes out nice, and this just was not working out at all. So I went ahead, I went to Rite Aid, and I just got some dark chocolate hair dye, and I actually love this color, and I'm really annoyed with myself that I even tried to experiment with my hair. So I was like, alright, I need to get this. I need to see what the hype is about. I've seen a lot of girls with it on Instagram talking about it with really bleached hair, damaged hair. So I'll let you guys know if this works. So this you want to use once a week. If it's your hair is really damaged, I would say like bleach blonde hair, you want to use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's meant to use before shampooing because it's a bonder to help bond your hair together, and you want to leave it on for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let y'all know if this is any good. If you want to know faster, because I upload really frequently on my Instagram, probably there is the best way if you want to keep up with me. The next thing I got is the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. So this is one of my favorite moisturizers. I love it. I stopped using it because I started using The Ordinary. I tried the Inky List Polypeptide, which is, I guess, like a dupe for it, but less expensive. And this is a little bit pricey, I want to say. But it's not the same as this. I feel like it's good, but it's not as good as this. It's not as rich of a cream. I have combination oily skin, but this works really well with my skin. It helps with the texture of my skin. So the ingredients in it help for immediate improvement in the appearance of skin's tone, texture, and firmness. So yeah, it's definitely helped with my texture of my skin, and it just gives nice, youthful, revived skin. Anything with anti-aging, anything with firmness, anything with good stuff for your skin, I'm buying. So this is what it looks like. I love the color. I don't know if you guys can see because it's so freaking bright in here. So this is the packaging. It's really nice. It has like a little push to start. So you push it and then you get the amount you need, and you just scoop it off and put it on your face. It absorbs really nicely into the skin, but it still feels nice and plumped and moisturized, and you're not feeling like heavy and uncomfortable with it on. So I was like, this is something I have to get. This is an investment, but it's a good investment. The next thing I got is another moisturizer, but this one is a daytime moisturizer. So this one is the Sephora Collection All Day Hydrator Hydrate and Glow Moisturizer. This is really good for the daytime. When I haven't used this in a really long time, and I just remembered how much I love this product. So this one just works so well with my skin. It gives my skin the hydration that it needs because it is hyaluronic acid without making my skin too oily. So I use this as a makeup primer during the day. It just leaves my skin looking really nice and smooth. If you have dry skin, I know this is day and night, but this might be too lightweight for a night cream depending on your preference, but I would definitely say check it out. The next thing I got, I'm just gonna grab from inside, is my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. So this is the only thing that keeps my brows up. I'm using it today on my brows, so it's not in here. Let me go grab it. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a magic wand. That it's flat on one side because you can press your brow hairs down and it'll stick up really nicely. I've tried soap brows. For some reason it doesn't work with my brow hairs. Maybe I need to let my brow hair grow out more. Once it gets a little, my brows grow really fast, so if it gets too crazy I look insane. But as soon as I use this and I brush it up, it just stays in place. I have tried many clear brow gels and it just doesn't work. I've tried waxes, everything. This is the only thing that really works for me. So if you have issues with your brows standing up, I would definitely recommend this. So it can give the laminated brows look if you're applying a certain amount that you want and need, and then, you know, it'll do the thing that you need it to do. The only complaint that I have with this product is if you put too much, it'll get crusty. Like you know how you put too much gel in your hair and then it gets white and crusty? This will do that to you if you put too much. So you need to be careful with it. If you put like 10 layers or 7 layers of it, it's gonna get crusty. I know, because I've tried. Put a good amount, it'll stay and it'll be fine. If you're constantly brushing, it's not gonna work for you. So be gentle with her, but she will stay. She will work. The next thing we got here is the Fenty Beauty Luscious Lip Balm in Latte Lips. Okay, let me swatch this. So hydrating. So I have the clear one. This one is the latte one. It is very hydrating. It feels really good on the lips. I have the clear one that just is like the lip balm. I like it. This is good for the day to put on as a regular lippy. The clear one is good as a lip primer. I bought the clear one thinking it's gonna be like super hydrating and like really, like, it's really lightweight and it feels good on the lips. It keeps your lips looking smooth. Hey, it's editing, Justina. I thought that this would be like as thick and as moisturizing as a lip mask. I don't know why my brain correlated the two, because it's not. It's just a lip balm. So yeah, that's what I meant. I'm not discrediting the product at all. So this I would love to put like right, you could just wear as is, or you can put it on top of another lipstick, lip paint from Fenty. I love Fenty. Anything Fenty comes out with, I'm a fan of. One day I will get on that PR list. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. Mark my words. What day is it? August 27th. It's gonna happen. Fenty gonna notice me. They're not gonna just like my pictures. They're gonna start to DM me. Come on, Fenty. If anybody from Fenty is watching this. Next I got is the Patrick Ta Major Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. I got the pink one. I have a lot of peach blushes. I have a lot of products that just all look the same. I saw this online and I was like, I do not have anything that looks like this. I don't. So this is the packaging. I love Patrick Ta's packaging. It's just like so sleek, so nice. Like if you pull this out in public, they're like, ooh, what's she got in her hands? Wouldn't she like to know? All right, how do you open this? Huh? Oh. Okay, I got it open, guys. I got it open. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a really cute, like, soft pink color. I think it's so pretty, and I really don't have a lot of colors like this. So this is the powder. Like, just like rubbing it twice. Here, I'm gonna swatch it. It's just like a pretty pink one that I use all the time. She's Passionate, and it just goes on so nicely. It's so pigmented, but it's buildable. So you're not putting it on and it's looking crazy. Like you can put it on and like blend it out and it'll look really nice and soft. It won't be too much. It looks like it's coming from within the blush. Obviously it's makeup, but it just looks nice and natural. And then this is the cream blush, and then you can go ahead and lift the little thing, little glass, which I love because, you know, if you're having a double thing and you're using powder, you don't want it to get dirty, you know, it's a whole thing. So it's really smart. So I'm gonna swatch that. Ooh, ooh, that feels good. It's like, you see, it gives a little shine to it. It has a little shine. It goes, it's really smooth. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it next to this. Okay, so it's like a really sheer cream blush. So this you would want to like pack on if you want a little bit more color. And that's in She's That Girl. I gotta like broaden my horizons. I can't just keep buying the same color. You know, they're all different colors. You know, like the pictures of all the nude lipsticks, and they're like, and girls say these are all different colors and it all looks the same. You know that it's all different. Like one has an orangey tone, one has peachy, one is a little bit more of a brown. You know. But I have to stop. I have to start, you know, getting different color stuff. So I was like, let me get a soft pink blush. Okay, so the next thing I got was my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. So this I absolutely love. I'm sure I've talked about this before on my channel, but this is a fat, look, I got it all dirty now because I have cream. I literally am hitting, I have like only like around my last one, and I'm like, oh no, I have to buy a new one. So this is it. I get the shade number 2. What I do is I'll wipe off my bake, I'll wipe off any translucent powder I have, I'll press it into, this is the last thing I do after I'm done with everything. I'll press it under my eyes, on the sides of my nose where I get oily, and then on my laugh lines. So then it'll give a nice smooth bright under eye finish, and it really is just like a flawless finish. Like, it makes your skin look nice and airbrushed, and it's like one of the things I need. If I don't use this, I can tell the difference on my face. And it's just like something that you hear a lot about, like a lot of overhyped products. It's just like but this I've heard from like really great makeup artists, like Makeup by Mario, Makeup by Ariel. He's like really great. I feel like his complexion that he does is just always so flawless. So I'm like, all right, I have to buy it. But I've been using this for a while and I really like it. So this is really great. The next thing I got is the Sol de Janeiro hand cream. This one I had to get. I was looking for a hand cream and I just saw it there and I was like, I'm having to buy it because, you know, with the pandemic going on, COVID, all this stuff that, you know, you need to wash your hands, you need to put hand sanitizer on. It's just like you need to be like very clean, but it does take a toll on your hands. Like, your hands feel dry. My hands feel dry after a while. I feel like cracking, and I'm just like, I need a new hand cream. So I went ahead and got this. I remember using this in the past and I just know how nice and smooth it makes your skin feel. It keeps it nice and hydrated, and it's fast absorbing, so it's not like it's sitting on your hands and like super like gross, like you're touching things and your hands are greasy. It has like butter in it and all this stuff. It's just really nice, and it smells like the it smells like their Bum Bum cream. I love this scent. It smells so good. So it's a firming, smooth, tightening cream, you know, Bum Bum cream. It smells absolutely amazing. Mine already finished and I needed a new one. It just smells so freaking good. But this is meant to put on your booty area where you have cellulite, where you want a little bit more firmness, stuff like that. You can put on your breast as well. I know people do that too. I put it all over my body. I put it on my legs, I put it on my arms, I put it behind my ears, and then I spray my perfume, so everything just smells so good. And this little guy is $45. He's $45, and I went through it really fast. So I'm gonna be a little bit more sparse with this time around. Having the issue with my legs that they just felt so dry. No matter what I would put on my legs, they just felt dry. I had dry patches. It was just driving me crazy, and I was like, I need something that's gonna feel good and make my legs feel good. So I started using this, but I found a Nivea body lotion, and then this I'll just use on special occasions or just in areas where I really need it. If you haven't tried this out, I know it's been around for a while. If you haven't tried it and you needed some convincing, it's me. Hey, I'm convincing you. Get it. Alright, it's my last product. I know I'm sad too. The last thing I got was the Fake Awake Eyeliner from Tarte. This is the eye highlighter. Eye highlight. My nude liner is all gone now. I'm really sad about it. And I needed a new nude highlighter. And I saw some people talking about this online. I said, hey, I want it. So on one side is a smudgy guy. It's a smudger. And this, first of all, the packaging is so cute. It's like gold stars all around the pencil. So freaking cute. So I went ahead and swatched it, and this is what it looks like. So just a really pretty nude liner. I love to pop a nude liner under my eyes when I either look too tired or I have a really nice nude eye, and it really just brings the eye all together. It'll just open up the eye and make it look really pretty. Anytime I see a nude liner, it's just like nude liner with a smoky eye. Like, if I had this eye with a nude liner, it looks so pretty. I think everybody should have one in their collection. And nude liner is just a little bit more flattering than the normal white liner. White liner is really nice if you're doing like a fun color like blue, pinks, reds, or if you just like white liner, then that's your prerogative, that's your preference. But I would say try this because it'll look a little bit more natural, and it's just like, oh my god, her eyes are so big. Oh my god, she looks so awake and so bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. This was my trick when I would come into work at 8 a.m. Put this baby on. Wow, you look so awake. I'm like, oh my god, thank you. And there's like 3 pounds of concealer in my nude liner. Alright, that's it for my haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was enough products or insightful or maybe you'll pick up some of the things that I spoke about. If you guys have ideas for any other videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you've tried these products before or have any questions, comments, concerns, all that other fun stuff, you can go ahead and put in the comment section down below. So let's be friends, let's link up. I'm gonna put all my social media in the description below, as well as a list of all the products that I have purchased. Love to see you guys in my next video. Thanks again for clicking on this and watching. It's been a while, I missed it. And the hair on my lip. Again for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm laughing because I feel so awkward. I don't know why. I guess it's because I haven't done an outro in so long.